Hi everyone. This week we'll learn something about the evolution of trigonometry. So trigonometry, as the name suggests, has to do with measuring triangles, measuring sides, measuring angles, things of that nature that, believe it or not, in 13 books of Euclid are never mentioned, with the exception of, say, right angles and straight angles. So anyway, in the ancient world, there was this guy, Claudius Ptolemy, who was one of the mathematicians of later Greek antiquity, living around maybe 150 CE. And he was an astronomer and wrote this treatise called Almagest, which literally means the greatest, which was primarily about astronomy, but had an appendix about trigonometry. Now, it takes some work to see how the trigonometry of Claudius Ptolemy relates to modern-day trigonometry. For us, when we're taking, say, the sine or cosine of an angle, it means that we're taking a ratio of sides of a right triangle. Now, in the ancient world, their ideas of trigonometry did not involve ratios, but rather chords of circles where the radius of the circle might be something other than a 1. For instance, for Claudius Ptolemy, what he compiled was a list of what are called chords. So if you take a circle, like the one shown on your screen, of some radius, I think Claudius Ptolemy used a circle of radius 60, and you take a central angle, and then you look at the chord that's subtended by that central angle. Those are the sorts of things that Claudius Ptolemy measured. In fact, he gave measurements for these chords in angle increments down to 1/2 of a degree, which is an amazing achievement. And along the way, he developed things that we would come to recognize as certain trigonometric identities, like the sum formula, the half angle formula, things of this nature. So we'll be learning about him and about a later mathematician by the name of Regiomontanus, who was a Renaissance mathematician who performed trigonometry in a way that's perhaps more familiar to us in that it used right triangles, but still the trigonometry of Regiomontanus does not involve ratios. So we'll learn a little bit about those things this week, and I hope you enjoy it.